everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make a villager torture machine. All you need are these things right here. And you need barrier blocks. /give at s barrier block. Or just barrier. Okay, you start off by building a 3x3 hole. Like so. Then you break it down like 3 blocks, so it's basically just a cube. You have to break down another thing there, so I think it's 4 blocks actually. So now you put the netherrack. Put these here. These are used to have a chain right there in the middle. So then now we're lighting the bedrock, or not bedrock, the netherrack. Put the barrier blocks on the sides. Just make it like so. Add stuff around so the villager doesn't jump off. Unless you want it to jump off, then you could. So it would look like that. You need to get an anvil with a name tag. Okay, you put the villager inside, put the block right back. You don't have to actually, you can't get out, but I just did. So you put the name tag, you name it Dinnerbone. So now, you have to break the block actually to name it. Now it's upside down. You break the top barrier block, put a chain, then boom, it's a villager that's gonna die. Right here, I'm gonna I'm gonna build an audience. Just gonna have villagers to watch, just because it would be more funny that way. Add another thing so they can't escape and zombies can't get in, or any other mob. Spiders could climb, but it's fine. So you put in the villagers. That guy could just be right there. Put the villagers in. And that's them. Now they're gonna watch the villager suffer and probably die. Yeah. Goodbye.